It doesn't get any more beautiful than this magnificent estate located in the private gated community of Shark Key. This week's Berkshire Hathaway Remarkable Property Spotlight is 49 Cannon Royal Drive. This is 14,850 square feet of pure paradise. Stunning vistas start at your front door and they continue throughout the home with an abundance of sliding doors and windows overlooking the blue waters of the Gulf of Mexico. You can enjoy your mornings watching the sunrise and making coffee in your state-of-the-art gourmet kitchen. It comes with all high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, and a generous butler pantry. This magnificent estate has an open floor plan, exquisite finishes throughout the home, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a dedicated area that has been wired to add an elevator, and a theater for an evening of entertaining. Your master suite and bathroom have a fireplace to enjoy on any cool mornings, an oversized tub, designer closets, and a balcony to enjoy some more incredible views. This home really is located in one of the best spots. Shark Key is just minutes away from Key West. It's located at mile marker 11. It boasts 2 miles of shoreline, lush foliage, sparkling lagoons, and has some of the most exquisite waterfront homes in the Florida Keys. 49 Cannon Royal Drive is listed by Joanne Allen. It is being offered for $3.65 million. If you would like to see this exquisite home for yourself, be sure to contact Joanne. You can also check out keysrealestate.com for more information.